I know you see it. You see it on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, even YouTube. It's everywhere. I'm talking about these fake gurus that post these unbelievable profits, but never show you that it's a real account. Never show you withdrawal proof, and they making all this money. How? No disrespect, but they make that money because people like you that don't know anything about trading, but want to learn and willing to pay these people. So they are taking y'all money by flashing these fake demo accounts on social media. They'll take that widget off the chart and drag it to the middle of the screen so you can't see that it's a demo. You never see their balance or anything. That's how they do people. I know because I've been trading for a long time, a whole decade to be exact. But in this video, I'm gonna show you a simple strategy that the real traders use that's making them a lot of money. Let's get to it. So in this video, I'm gonna show you a simple strategy you can apply and start making some money. It's simple but not easy. Your timing gotta be right. You're gonna have to get into the market and start trading to get familiar with everything, right? But you have to have some familiarity with trading, whether it's crypto, Forex, or stock options. Because we're gonna talk about key levels, and these key levels are support and resistance levels. And if you're familiar with trading, this is one of the first things you learn, so I think you get it. So we're just gonna go ahead and dive straight into it. So the first thing I do, I start off on my weekly chart and I draw my resistance and support level. I use the purple line for my weekly chart. I use the green line for my daily chart. Then I drop down to the 4 hour and use my red lines. I drop down to the 1 hour and use these blue lines, okay? And that's it. Now you can mark up the 30-minute and the 15-minute chart if you want to, but I think that's enough. I'm trying to catch those big moves. Okay, so once I mark up my hour chart, I drop down to my 5-minute chart. Now there are 4 key levels you want to mark off on your 5-minute chart. I use the white line for my pre-market low and my pre-market high. I use this green line for previous day high and previous day low. So I got pre-market low, pre-market high, previous day low, and previous day high. Now you have to just wait and be patient. Now there are 4 types of trades we're looking for. The break and retest above pre-market high, the break and retest below pre-market low. You also have the rejection trade, and you have the bounce trade. So let's go over these trades in an example, and I'll explain everything to you. If the market break this pre-market high, like come up here, break, and the candle close, we want to see a retest. That means it come back to this level and retest this level. If this level hold, we expect the market to go up. So we'll buy a call. If you expect the market to go up, you buy a call. If you expect the market to go down, you buy puts. Alright? So, or we get the reject. Like this level, it happened this morning. The market come up, test this level, and this level hold, you get rejected, it come down. And then we expect to ride the market down to this level. Your resistance and support level is going to be where you enter and exit trades. That's the break and retest and the reject. Now you also have the bounce trade. That means the market come down here, and if this level hold, we play that bounce, we buy calls. Now, the last but not least is the break and retest below the pre-market low. The market come down, break, this candle close, it retests. If it hold, we expect that drop, so we'll buy a put. Okay? That's the break and retest. Yo, partner interruption, but I'm asking everybody to follow me on IG. My real page is leowilly.jr, no other page. Okay? In 2024, I'm going to start posting signals in my IG stories, and I'm going to do like market reviews in my IG stories. This is just another way for me to help people who can't afford any courses. You can also follow my Facebook. The link is in the description box below. If you didn't get my pages from this channel, it's not me. And I'm warning you because last year, my Facebook and Instagram got hacked. They were scamming all my friends, especially my students, for thousands and thousands of dollars. Everybody thought that was me, but it wasn't me, okay? I would never inbox you first and ask you to buy something from me. But if you DM me, I will respond. So be careful. But this is my new IG page, and my new Facebook page is in the description box. If you didn't follow me off this channel, it's not me. Now back to business. Now this gray area is the after hours, and this the pre-market. We wake up during the pre-market and mark our short seller. Now if I take this, the pre-marketing, if I remove the pre-marketing after hour, let me show you. See, if I remove the pre-marketing after hours, you got these gaps. These gaps, we expect these gaps to get filled, okay? That's why the market came down and filled this gap. Okay? This gap right here got filled today too. It opened up, traded above this level, and filled this gap. This play right here filled the gap right here, and filled the gap right here. Look at this gap. The market go up and fill that gap, you dig? Look at this gap. The market come down and fill that gap. The gap don't have to get filled the same day. It might be 2 or 3 days, but that gap got to get filled. This is what we expect as a trader. So we make plays based on what we believe the market gonna do to fill this gap. There's 4 types of trade: the break and retest for the buy, the break and retest for the sell, you have the reject for the sell, and you have the bounce for the buy. So now what I'm gonna do is give y'all some tips on how to exactly trade these levels. Both of these gurus just show y'all profit, but they don't be breaking these trades down, right? So if you see up here the market reverse, right? This is called the reject. You see this candle? It was all the way up here, but seller pushed this candle down. That was selling pressure. That's a signal to hop out this trade because the market is reversing, and that's what it did. But I took this trade right here. See this candle? Look at this candle. Look at the top of this candle. It's flat. Look at the bottom of this candle. It's flat. I call this a healthy candle. It don't have no wick. You see how this one have a wick at the top? And this one a wick at the bottom? This is selling pressure. No, this is buying pressure. Top of this candle is selling pressure. That means the sellers are pushing this candle down. But this is a healthy candle. So it broke this level and it closed above this level. Now I want to see the retest. I didn't get the retest. This next candle opened and the market shot up. But I still got in this trade because of how healthy this candle was. No selling pressure. And then it was then it closed right near the support level. So I could put my stop loss right here, risk minimum amount of money, and make major profits. That's what you want to do. You want to minimize your losses and make major profits. If this candle did something like this, and all the way up here, and closed, I wouldn't have gotten this trade because I had to put my stop loss from this top all the way down to this bottom. My stop loss go right here. That's a lot of money. That's too much risk on that trade, so I wouldn't have took the trade. But due to the fact that it closed right down here, I was able to put my stop down here and have a minimum loss and a maximum gain. You dig? That's how you want to trade. Now, this candle went up, stopped right here. Now, if this next candle would have opened and would have came back down, it would have canceled this trade. This is not a break or break and retest. It broke, but it came right back. So if the next candle come right back, that's not a break. So after you get that break, the next candle is important. Always remember that. What the next candle gonna do? Now, this setup is the reason why we preach patience when it comes to day trading. You got to have patience. The market opened at 9:30, right? So you've been watching this market all morning for this setup. It broke. It came back, gave us that retest. It wicked the candle, came back up, and it shot up. Perfect trade. But it took till 3 o'clock for this trade to happen. It is now 3:21. So you've been waiting all day for this setup. That's why you need to be patient. Some traders get impatient. They just start taking trades because they can't be patient. They suffer with FOMO. FOMO, that's the fear of missing out. FOMO is a deadly virus when it comes to trading. You can't suffer with that. You gotta fight it. You got to be patient. This is a perfect trade. We got the break and retest. The retest is right here. It came down. The buying pressure pushed the candlestick back up and closed. I'm in this trade. Boom. Making money. That's from here, 475 to 476. That's like $1 move. Now you got 100 shares in each contract. So what you want to do is take that dollar times 100 shares. That's $100. If you had 2 contracts, that's $200. 3 contracts, that's $300 from here to here. A quick little, nice little 300. You dig? But if you put your stop loss, well, you shouldn't even have your stop loss right here because the candle was still open. Once this candle closed, you put your stop loss right under this wick right here. So you had the break and retest above the pre-market high, and you had the bounce that I was talking about earlier. This candle came down, the next candle wicked this level, closed above the level, wicked it again, closed above the level. The next candle opened and closed below this level, but you had 2 doji candles. Doji mean indecisive. The investors are indecisive. They don't know if they want to go up or down. You dig? But eventually it gave us this engulfing candle. Look how high that is. It engulfed all that. You could have got in this candle, put your stop loss right down here somewhere, and rolled this trade to the top. You could have got in right here. That's 473. That's a $3 move. 1 contract you made $300. 2 contracts you made $600. 3 contracts you made $900. So that's how professional traders, not even professional traders, just retail traders and all, they make money by trading these levels. So I would say practice and demo or paper trade. Get familiar with the market, get familiar with the stock, learn candlestick patterns, understand price action, and you'll be all right for a beginner. No need to be falling for all these traders making $10,000 a month, 10,000 in 15 minutes, 20,000 in 30 minutes, all that crazy stuff. I'm not saying it's impossible, but 9 times out of 10, I know what's going on. I've been doing this for too long, man. They never show real account proof. They never show you proof that it's a live account. And they don't show you the percentage. They show you the open P&L in the middle of the chart, just the profit. That's all they show you. That could be a demo account, man. I don't know. You're not showing me nothing. So I don't believe none of that stuff. And you shouldn't either. But if you want to get into trading, start practicing what you learned in this video. I promise you, you'll see some results. This your boy Leo. If this video been helpful, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification. You know how it go. And also follow me on IG and Facebook if you like. The link is in the description box below for all my own whereabouts. This your boy Leo. Until next time, peace.